Tell me what you smell.
Citronella. And citrus, like lime and lemon.
Purify. Purify. This is our cleansing blend. It's pretty awesome. Purify can be used for purifying literally anything. And it's also a great repellent. So Megan will give you some tips and tricks on some really good ways to use this cleansing blend. But first, it's a very unique blend of essential oils. There's some oils in this blend that we can't get as single oils because they're just not as sustainable to be put in our lineup. But the oils in this blend are lime, lemon, Austrian fir, Siberian fir, citronella, melaleuca, cilantro, and pine needle. So it's a very unique aroma. Yeah. And we love this oil.
Yeah, it's really good. So right away, I go to deodorizing everything. So when you think about Purify, anything you want to clean and deodorize, you're going to use Purify instead of those, toxic other products that are available. This is the best solution to deodorize and clean. A couple tricks that I like to use when it comes to your gym bag, your gym shoes, purifying, the bathroom, maybe a moldy, dusty old closet. Best way to use it, 3 drops in each gym shoe. It's going to totally deodorize them, make them smell fresh. Your gym bag, I like to make a spray. So a 4-ounce bottle of water, 20 drops of Purify in it, and then go ahead and spray the whole inside of your gym bag. Do not worry about wiping it down. Leave it alone. Maybe let it sit for a couple minutes and then throw everything back in your gym bag and everything's going to be smelling fresh and new. We have a 13-year-old little boy here, so we love to deodorize all of his soccer gear, everything when it comes to him and his extracurricular activities. Now, the best thing to do in a bathroom or like a moldy closet, get cotton balls and put 3 drops of Purify in each cotton ball. You can do as many as you need to, as many as you want, and just put them in the corners of the room. It's going to repel any insects, like Jeff said, but it's also going to take the moldy, musty, old smell away, and it's just going to purify and clean that air. I also love using this one. It's on our dryer right now. I keep it there because I love putting it on our dryer balls. So when you're done washing your clothes and you throw them in your dryer, just to refreshen everything, go ahead and put about 10 drops of Purify on each or one dryer ball, or if you have 2, 5 of each, throw it in the dryer, let it go, and your clothes are going to come out smelling so fresh and clean. It's wonderful. And this aroma did take me a little bit to get used to. But I love it now.
Yeah, and if you don't have dryer balls for whatever reason, you can just use a clean towel, like a small hand towel, and put 10 drops of Purify on that and throw that in the dryer as well. But yeah, the aroma is really unique. We love to diffuse it as well. And lastly, on your animals, especially dogs, if you put like 10 drops of coconut oil and 2 or 3 drops of Purify in your hand, rub your hands together, and then reverse pet your animal up the back of their spine before you go on a walk, before you go outside, before they go in the woods. We take our dogs to a natural park over here, and there's really long grasses in the summer, like 4 or 5 feet long grasses, and the dogs love tearing through there. So we love to put Purify on them beforehand, and it just keeps the ticks, the bugs, it keeps things away. And it's a very healthy, natural solution for that. Let us know how you guys love to use Purify. If you found value in this video, like and share it. And we love engaging and connecting with you guys through private messages or just your comments on these videos. We love you guys. We'll talk to you next time.